Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free software to completely disable or enable automatic updates in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the settings. And if I click on this Windows update, so here we have the only option to post the updates. So there is no option to completely disable or enable automatic updates. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Windows Update Blocker. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the save file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now here you will see two applications with the name WUB as well as the WUB into 64. So if you're using a Windows 64-bit operating system, then just use the 64-bit version, and if you're using a Windows 32-bit operating system, then use the WEB. So now you can see the respective options to enable or disable. So right now my Windows computer's Windows updates options are enabled, so it has automatically detected, so as you can see right now. So now in order to disable, just select the disable updates, click on apply, wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the service status is disabled. So we have completely disabled the automatic updates in my respective Windows computer. So if you want to enable it again, just select the enable updates and click on apply now, wait for a few seconds. You can see service status we have enabled, and there are more options below menu. So under the menu you can check a different option depending upon your needs. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free software to completely disable or enable automatic updates in any Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.